Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect projectmanager.com to Google Drive, full guide step by step clearly. To connect projectmanager.com to Google Drive, begin by logging into your projectmanager.com account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can see your projects. In the upper right corner, locate and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. Once in the settings, look for the Integrations tab on the left sidebar. Click on Integrations to view available connection options. Find Google Drive in the list of integrations and click on it. You will see an option to connect to Google Drive. Click on this Connect button to initiate the integration. A new window will pop up prompting you to sign into your Google account. Enter your Google account email address and click Next. Now, input your password and click Next again. You will be asked to grant permissions to projectmanager.com. Review the permissions and click Allow to continue. After granting permissions, the window will close automatically. You should now see a confirmation message on projectmanager.com. This indicates that your Google Drive is successfully connected. To test the connection, create a new project or open an existing one. Within your project, look for an option to upload files. Click on Upload and select From Google Drive. A Google Drive window will appear for you to choose your file. Select the file you want to upload and click Insert. The file will now be attached to your project within projectmanager.com. You have successfully connected Google Drive to projectmanager.com. Feel free to manage your files directly through the integration now. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.